Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Nilesh, math faculty. Today I am going to teach about the pi. What is pi as written here topic, what is pi, then afterward I will teach about the area. So today you will learn about the circumference, formula for the circumference and formula for the area. This pi is related to the circle. This is a circle. What is circle? If all the points which are equidistant from the fixed point joined, they will form a circle. This length of the boundary, total length of the boundary, that is called a circumference. If we measured it, as you know, the perimeter means that sum of all sides for any closed figure. That so here if we measure this, that will be equal to perimeter. So a special name given for the perimeter for the circle is circumference. 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 This distance from O to any point on the circle, that is called radius. That is called radius. This is a line AB, line passing through center O. This is called diameter. OB is radius. OB is radius. OA also radius. Radius means that distance between center to the circumference is called a radius. This is called a diameter. Diameter D is equal to R plus R. So we can say diameter is equal to 2 times of the radius. So if radius given, can we find that diameter, or if diameter radius had to find that, so can we write that D upon 2 is equal to radius. Radius is half of the diameter. So this was about the circumference. What is the circumference? Total length of this boundary, that is called the circumference. And diameter, a line segment which lies on the circumference and passing through center, that is called diameter. Diameter is equal to R plus R, which is equal to 2R. So diameter will be 2 times of the radius. Diameter radius का 2 गुना होता है और radius diameter का आधा होता है. This is the formula to find the radius. Now here if we divide circumference upon diameter, we will find a constant value for any circle. Circumference upon diameter will be a constant value. That value will be equal to 3.142 something. That will be for all the circles. Circumference upon diameter will be equal to 3.14. This is a special name given by the mathematician, that is equal to pi. 3.142, that is equal to pi. Or this is also equivalent to 22 upon 7. That is not exact that, but it is equivalent to 3.142 something. Or this is equivalent to 22 upon 7. So sometimes we use that pi is equal to 3.142 or pi is equal to 22 upon 7 according to need of the question. So this was about the pi. So pi is the ratio of circumference and diameter. Ratio of circumference and diameter, that is called the pi. So this way came the pi, and we use pi at different questions according to need of the question. That so this ratio is equal to pi, that is equal to what? Pi. So we can say circumference, we can say circumference is equal to, diameter means symbol given the d, so we can write that pi d, and as you know that pi d is equal to 2 times of the radius, so can be written that pi into 2r, or in proper way we can say that is 2 pi r. So circumference that will be equal to 2 pi r. This is the formula for the circumference. By this formula we can find the circumference if radius given, so it will be easy to find out the circumference. Now next is area of a circle. To find the area of a circle, we know pi into r square. This is the formula to find the area of the circle. So it is difficult to say here, and arrange it. Let me tell once again about this. If we divide this into 8 equal part, this is 4 part, 6 part, and again 8 part. If we divide 4 equal part and arrange in rectangular shape, we will find that this height will be equal to radius of the circle, and this length, if we will measure this length with the thread or any string, we will find that half of the perimeter will be. So this length will be half of perimeter. Perimeter means 2 pi r, half of perimeter. So 2 cancel, that will be pi r. So as we know that area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth, that will be equal to pi r into r. Pi into r square, that will be pi r square. So area of circle can be used this formula pi r square. Okay. Then on the basis of these two formula, circumference and area of circle pi r square, let me do few questions and see. So let's see about this question. Perimeter of a circle given 88 meter, we have to find the diameter and area of this circle. That find diameter and area. We have to find diameter and area. To find the diameter and area, we have to need that radius. So we can find the diameter and area. Let's see. Perimeter, as I told that perimeter means that circumference, length of the boundary of the circle. That so length of the boundary of circle formula, that is 2 pi r. This is given how much? 88 meter. 2 pi r is equal to 88 meter. We have to find the radius, so that can be written that, let here write that, can be written that r, we have to find r is equal to 88. This 2 pi will become down 2 pi, 88 upon 2 pi. That will be equal to 88 upon 2 into pi value have to use here 22 upon 7. 22 upon 7, it will be easy to calculate. 7 will be go up, so can be written that r is equal to 88 into 7 upon 2 into 22. I hope concept being the clear. So see, by 22 4 times it will be cancelled there, and 2 ja 4. So if 2 7 ja 14, therefore r is equal to 2 into 7, so r is equal to what? 14 meter. We found that radius of that circle came 14 meter. So if radius comes, we can find out the diameter and area. As you know, diameter is equal to 2 times of the radius. D is equal to 2 times of radius. So D is equal to 2 into what? 14, that will be equal to 20 meter. Then second asking area. For area, A is equal to pi r square. Pi value have to put 22 upon 7 and r value have to put 14 into what? 14. So if divided, cut it by 2 times. So that will be equal to 22 into 14. I hope that concept clear. Then that will be equal to 308 meter square. This is the area of the circle. So it was the very easy, very simple, that by using the given informations I done this question to find the diameter and what was the area. Area came that 308 meter square. Let's see one more question. Now see, for this question, in this question area of semicircle is equal to 77 centimeter is given, that we have to find the perimeter of this circle. That very simple and easy. That see how can you find that. To find the perimeter, find the perimeter of this circle. To find the perimeter, first we have to apply the area formula. If area given, apply the area formula, and if circumference given, so apply the circumference formula. To find it, first radius is needed, that so we have to apply the area formula. As you know, area of a what circle is equal to 70. Sorry, already that is given, that given. Okay, leave it. As you know, area of circle formula pi r square. Pi r square is equal to what given? 77 centimeters square given. You have to find radius, so can be written that r square is equal to 77 upon what? Pi. R can be written that r square is equal to 77 upon 22 upon what? 7. This 7 will come up, so can be written that here r square is equal to 77 into 7 upon 22. This 7 will go up. Now this can be cancelled, that how? 11 2 ja and 11 7. 11 2 ja and 11 7 ja. So r square will be equal to 7 into 7 upon what? 2. R square is equal to 7 into 7 upon 2. Something missing, because under root will come that. Oh student, here semicircle written, that a blunder fault here. That should be because area of a circle, not area of a semicircle. Area of a semicircle. Semicircle given. Area of a semicircle. So semicircle formula what is? Upon 2. Upon 2. This 2 let's send there. Okay, 2 will be here. Again send the 2 there. No problem, already having that. Okay, so pi gone down, correct. So here what will be? 2. 2 cancel. So okay, let me cancel here that. Then r square is equal to 7 into 7. Then r is equal to what? 7. We find that radius 7. A little fault became a greater fault, major fault. Now we have to find a circumference, perimeter of its circle. That to find the perimeter of circle, we have to apply the formula 2 pi r. So for the perimeter, we have to find perimeter of semicircle. This is the semicircle. दिस इज द सेमी सर्कल, ये सेमी सर्कल है, इसका रेडियस कितना आ गया 7. सो सेमी सर्कल पेरीमीटर, what is perimeter? Perimeter means the length of boundary. So this is the length total of boundary and this also total. So it will be 2 pi r upon 2 plus this total boundary, what will be 2r, from here to here 2r. So 2 cancel, pi value 22 upon 7 into r value 7 plus 2 into 7. Yeah, this 7 cancel, 22 plus 7 2 ja 14, 22 plus 14, that will be equal to what? 36 centimeter. This is the answer. We have to not find the full circle, we have to find the semicircle. Perimeter of semicircle, it means length of the boundary from here to here, that will be pi r, because total will be 2 pi r upon half 2 plus this length, total boundary length, this will be 2r. Okay, so this way we found that is equal to 36 centimeter. I hope that student you understood about the each line concept is clear that. So be enjoy, be happy. Student take some more question like this and please practice. This type of the question is very important for the competitions. And student, one more thing, subscribe my channel. That thanks all of you.